Hey there, Todd with Tribble Painting. Today we're at the interior of one of our clients' homes, and this home is vacant. They've purchased the home and won't be moving in for about a month and a half. And this is the ideal way, if you have the option, to paint a home while it's vacant prior to moving in. So let's take a look. What makes it ideal? One of the things is we're able to work in all areas. Once we get set up, we don't have to break down every night, clean up, so that the client can live in the home. We can mask, put our drops out. We can be more efficient because we can work in all areas of the home at once for all the different stages of the project. The prep work, the ceilings. Once we move into a paint, we can use it all over. So this home is vacant, which means we don't have to worry about the client's furnitures or furnishings in protecting those. You'll notice that we don't have a drop cloth down in this hallway on the carpet. That's because that carpet is going to be removed and new carpet is going in, which saves us a lot of time in having to protect things. We'll certainly vacuum when we're done. We don't have to worry about drop cloths. So unlike an occupied home where we'd have to worry about the client's furnishings and furniture and cover everything, in this home that's vacant, we don't need to do that, and we can work in multiple areas at one time, unlike an occupied home where maybe we can work in 2 or 3 rooms at a time because you, the client, is living there, and so we can't take over your whole house. You'll notice Aaron is in this blue room. He's prepping, sanding out the patches, and Blaine is in here finishing out the rolling of this room. And so those are many of the advantages that can save time if you're able to have your house painted while it's vacant. So many times people say, well, I'll get moved in and then I'll give you a call. And I know it's not always ideal to be able to paint a home while it's vacant, but if you have that option, you should take advantage of it. It'll save you money and certainly save you the headache of living through a painting project, which I joke is sort of like moving, but you don't get to go anywhere. So we hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching. Please hit subscribe and like. It helps other people interested in painting find our videos. Thanks again.